Taxes don't have to be complicated. In this video, we'll show you how tax rates work in the back office, how to add and assign them to products, and how to control how tax is displayed on your till. From your back office, log in and select Setup from the menu on the left. Next, choose Banking and then Tax Rates. To add a new tax rate, press Add Tax Rate in the top right corner. On the next screen, give your tax rate a name. If you have a single tax rate, enter the percentage, add a code and description if you need, then press Add. If it's a combined tax rate, choose Combined from the dropdown. You'll need to have already added each tax rate under Standard. Select each tax rate from the dropdown and press Add each time. Once finished, the combined tax rate can be assigned to products just like a standard one. If a tax rate is no longer needed, just press the red X next to the tax rate you want to remove. The tax rate will now be deleted. Adding tax rates is just the first step. They also need to be assigned to products. In the back office, head to your product list, go to Columns, and make sure Sale Tax Rate is checked. This is so that you can quickly change the tax rate for products without fully opening the editor. Double-click the tax rate block and select the correct one from the dropdown. There's no need to save, as your changes are saved automatically as you click away from the box. Once complete, perform a cloud sync on your front till to push the changes live. Let's take a look at how we can control how tax is displayed on your till. For this, you'll be able to show pricing with or without tax. In the back office, open the Bento menu and go to Organizations. Under its drop-down on the left, select Organization Details. Scroll down and enable Show Including/Excluding Tax option. Now, on the front till, open the menu and go to Settings. Select General, go down to the Tax section and choose your preferred tax mode from the drop-down. Inclusive will show the product pricing including tax, and Exclusive will show without, but will still add the correct tax once added to the transaction basket. And that's it! Your tax rates are set up, assigned correctly, and displayed exactly how you want them on your till. For more back office walkthroughs and tips, check out our other videos.